straighten it out a little bit more. Okay. Good.
All right, go back up. Just miss that angle.
Yep. Good. Ready?
All right.
Good. Good.
That's like that, dude.
Okay. You don't have to bring it down lower yet.
Yeah.
Just.
I'm not standing up right now.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Here, ready?
Ready in the lever.
Okay, push. I need to keep it from dropping as much as I can.
Oh. Ready?
Okay, wait. Right. Really close to this door handle, I think we're going to catch it.
This time?
Yeah, I think it's going to be one minute.
Okay, don't let me go off the stair. I'm going to try to pivot it to the left just a little bit.
Good. Oh, I see.
Yeah. How's that?
Let's go close. Come on. Okay, that's right. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Next.
Okay.
You good? Okay, last one. Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Okay. Got it? Okay. Now rest or? Okay, rest. Put it down on the other wheel. You good?
Yeah.
Okay. Step. Much further step. Good? I started putting counterweight on it. Yeah.
Right, I haven't even squatted yet, Ryan.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, up. You good?
Yep.
You got space?
Come back to the
Okay. Because I'm pretty much up against the wall. Okay, here, just turn up so you can get your face back in the video.
Ready?
Yeah. Good. Okay. Right.
Good.